Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our ultimate maintenance guide for the Asus 634J. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your device in optimal condition. Let's start with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. First, power down your device and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later on. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components. Use the compressed air to gently blow away any dust or debris. Focus on the fans and heatsinks, as overheating can lead to performance issues. If you feel uncertain about completing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, take a closer look at the internal connections. Ensure that all cables are secure and not frayed. If you notice anywhere, consider replacing those connectors. You can always reach out for a quote before repair. Now, let's address the thermal paste. If your device is older, the thermal paste may have dried out. Carefully remove the old paste using a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste on the CPU before reassembling. Once you have completed these steps, it's time to reattach the back panel. Make sure all screws are tightened properly for a snug fit. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, power up your device and monitor its performance. Regular maintenance can significantly enhance the lifespan of your Asus 634J. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Our professional services are here to help you keep your device in top shape. Thank you for following this guide. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your Asus 634J remains efficient and reliable for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.